Hello, my friend. Welcome to our live channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialized in the common rail injector, right? And today I want to share you some of our product to our friend. Friend, this is our product. This is our control valve. Yeah. And if you are interested about it, please follow Caitlin. Okay. Let's check the details first. Okay. Check the details about our product. Look at it here. Okay. About our packaging bags, you can see we pack with the VCI anti-rust bags. And actually on this part we had the labels on the packaging bags. The first line of the label is the Shumatt logos. Yes, if you want to print with your own logo, contact us and we can help you to print with your logo and the label and packaging bags. The customized services, yes, we can supply for you. And then it's the product code. Product code is the F00VC01384. And the application inject model number is the 0445110381. There has a small QR code and other information on the packaging bag. Okay, friend, let's see the inside part, okay? Wow, this is inside, a little bit cute. And also we have other types of the packaging bags. It's a transparent plastic bottles. It can be better prevent the rust and the hurt during the transportations. Yeah. Okay, let's open it to see the inside. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see. Okay, we pack it with the oil papers. This is the whole side of the valve assembly. Yep. And actually, we not only sealing the whole side, but also we sealing separate parts. Let's see the separate parts. This is the valve cap. On our valve cap, we have a coating and with some curved letters on it, on the surface. And on this part is a valve rod. For our valve rod, we have different lengths. We have different size. Yes, if you have the other size demands, you can contact us. Each items before we seal it, we have the test, and so far our product really have the very high qualities. Okay, that's all about the product sharing. Actually, we have many models numbers about our product, right? If you are not familiar with it, just send us the product code. We can help you to check it. Also, you can download the app to find more details. Today, I want to share with you the other small tips. The first tip is if you want to clean it, you'd better to use oil to clean it. The second tip is if you want to install the control valve, make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly after assembly inject body. Yes, and about the valve cap, make sure it in the right positions. Okay, that's all the tips I want to share with you. And each week we have different videos and live show on the Facebook and YouTube account. Yeah, if you are interested about it, if you really like Caitlin's video, please follow us at our channel and you can contact us at our WhatsApp. Okay, yes, feel free to contact us. Actually, except that we also still in the injector, the nozzle, the repair kit, the pumps, the parts for the pumps, yes, including the control valve we are showing today. Yes, any items if you are interested, please follow us at our channel and remember, feel free to contact us. Yeah, I'm waiting for your news. Okay. So much for today's product introduction. It's time to say goodbye to each other. Yes, time is so fast. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Love you guys. Remember to miss me, okay?